Hello, hello everyone. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share the Journal Jam kits for quarter three and quarter four. For those of you who order your kits, they are on their way to you. Um, and I just want to say a quick thank you for all of you who allowed me the time that I needed to get this to you all. Um, I know it was a ridiculous amount of time that it took me to get this out to you, but I'm so happy to say that they're all out the door and they will be in your hot little hands. And you guys were so gracious to allow me this time that I needed. I don't know why I needed all of this time, but I did, and you guys allowed me. You allowed me to get this to you on the time that I needed to get it to you. So thank you all so very much. So I just want to quickly go over what's in your little packets because I think I should. And now that these are all out the door, I I can offer the extras that I have in the shop right now. They're very limited. If you get both quarters three and four, there is a discount if you get them both, um, and all that good stuff. All right, so without further ado, let's change the camera view. All right, so Journal Jam. I don't know if you guys remember these little books that we made, which are a cross between a mini album, a planner, and a junk journal. They turn out spectacular. There's 12 different book designs, and every single one of them are pretty spectacular in terms of the cover design and the goodies that you find inside these books in terms of inspiration, page designs, so many things, so many ideas that you get out of these books. All right, 12 different months, 12 different books. This is my personal book here. This is my 2025 book. This is the November Journal Jam, and I love it. It's just so fabulous. So these kits are what I call the basic kits because most of what you need to make these books are digital. So you would print them out. The paper collections are 8.5 by 11. So if you don't have a wide format printer, no worries. All you need is a regular printer. All right. You print at 8.5 by 11 and you're done. Excuse me. So sorry. Um, so they all packages come labeled for each particular month. You get your craft text covers for quarter three and quarter four. I use craft text. So these are all craft text covers. And then you get the fun things that I used. Like for instance, November. I can show you November because I have a sample here. So for November, you will see that I use you see the little D ring there. There's a D ring. I use an eyelid. I'll show you where that is. The closure is in there, and just a few extra goodies, and of course the black craft text that I used. November, I also included the plastic sleeves that we use to make the pockets. So you would find that, oh, and all your bungee cord and things like that. You also get. You find that in what I call this consumables packet here, where you get all of your acetate sheets that you need. I added some file folders because I use some file folders to make inserts, the plastic sleeves for your November book, all of your bungee cord, your eyelets, and a bunch of fun paper clips. Paper clips, paper clips, paper clips, because I love paper clips and I use a lot of paper clips. You also get your three cords, twine, excuse me, in three different colors. So you can use whichever one you want to customize your books. So, and again, everything's labeled. So here's November. Here's your October Journal Jam stuff. Really cute items in there. And then the December. This one is very clear, right? But they're all labeled. So you should be able to find everything nice and easy. And once again, these are all craft text pieces in here for you to make your books. Uh-oh, I put something wrong in here. Oh no, that's right. So November goes in here too. And then, so this is your fourth quarter. And then for your third quarter, I used the craft color, craft text in some cases, and I used black in August. So, so yeah. So everything is in here labeled and ready to rock and roll for you to use. How cute. Just really cute little things in there, guys. So the button that I use for the September book is in there. Just all the cute little the cute little things that you need to make the cover you got in these basic kits here, okay? So and I think you're really going to enjoy making these. So for instance, if a particular album calls, which I think July calls for quite a few eyelets, you'll find them in the that big eyelet bundle. Instead of putting eyelets in each kit, I just went ahead and did a whole order of eyelets, and you pick as many eyelets as you need for the project, and you're good to go. You may have extras, right? Because there's a ton of eyelets in an eyelet order. So here it is, all ready for you to go. Again, for those of you who already ordered these are on their way to you, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoy making these. And again, I cannot express my gratitude for allowing me the time I needed to get these to you uh, in the way that I did. And just thank you so very much. And for those of you who didn't get in on the ordering, I do have a few extras. You can pick that up right now in the shop, paperphenomenon.com, and you can find a link in the description box below. Thank you all very much. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.